Okay. So minus 7 into 3, we are multiplying using Booth's algorithm where the size of register is 5 bits. So to solve this, we identify what is M, what is minus M, what is Q, what is AC and what is Q minus 1. Your M is nothing but minus 7, which is multiplicand. Your minus M will be 2's complement of your M. 2's complement of your M. Your Q is nothing but the multiplier, which is a second number 3. AC is initially 0. So how many zeros? Depending upon the size of the register. So it is 5 bits, so we'll put 5 zeros. Q minus 1 will be initially 0. Okay. So what do we do is we first convert M into binary. So to do this, what is your M? M is minus 7. So to find out minus 7, what do we do is we first write the binary of 7. What is the binary of 7 in 5 bits? 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now if I want to find minus 7, what do I do is I will do 2's complement of the original number, that is 7. So your minus 7 is 2's complement of 7, which is 1 as it is, 0, 0, 1, 1. Why this 1? Because it is the bit negative over here. So we have find out our M, which is minus 7, and minus M, which is 7. So if I take 2's complement of minus 7, I get this. How? 1 as it is, 0 converted into 1, 0 converted into 1, 1 converted into 1, and since the bit is original, value is positive, therefore 0. Is this understood up till here? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we start solving by the column method. Okay. So what do we write first is AC, Q, Q minus 1 and operation. Okay. What do we write? First step, AC is equal to 0. So how many zeros? 5 zeros. What is your Q? Q was 3, which is 0, 0, 1, 1. Sorry. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Correct? So I write my Q as 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. What is Q minus 1? It should be initially 0. Now, what does algorithm say? If Q0 is 1 and if Q minus 1 is 0, that is 1, 0, what am I supposed to do? AC is equal to AC minus M. AC is equal to AC minus M. So when I do this AC is equal to AC minus M, I take the content of AC, I take the content of minus M, and then I add the content of AC and minus M. Whatever I get the result is stored into AC. So what is my AC? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. What is my minus M? My minus M is 7, no? Yes, my minus M is 7. That is 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So when I add, what do I get? 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Where do I store it? This into accumulator.
Minus 7, no? I'm minus 7.
Minus M.
Minus
Your
7.
M is minus 7. Question is minus 7 into 3. So your minus 7 is M. So your minus M will become 7. So we are doing AC minus M. So that minus M is nothing but 7. So I copy Q0, value of Q as it is, value of Q minus 1 as it is. After I do AC is equal to AC minus M, I have to do right shift. So when I do right shift, the 0 gets discarded, 1 comes here, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Now from where should I get the fifth bit? The fifth bit should be copied from the previous step. So it will be 0 as it is. So with this we complete cycle number 1. Is this understood? What is my question? Don't get confused in the question. Question is minus 7 into 3. So minus 7, the first number is M. And then when I take the complement of it, that will become minus M. Okay? So now if the value of Q0 and Q minus 1 is 1, 1, what I have to do is no operation, directly right shift. So this 1 will get discarded, this 1 will come here, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Again the fifth bit will be copied. So with this we completed step number 2. Is my cycle or is my count equal to 0? No. So I will keep on doing this until my count becomes 0. So again check value of Q0 and Q minus 1 is 0, 1. So if it is 0 and 1, I have to do AC is equal to AC plus M. So now the content of AC will be 0, 0, 0, 1. Contents of M, what is the content of M? Minus 7. What is the value of minus 7? Minus 7 is 1, 1. 0, 0, 1. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. So I write 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Copy the Q as it is. Copy the Q minus 1 as it is. After this, I will do right shift. So 1 will get discarded. 0 will come here. 0, 0, 1, 1. This 0 will come here. 1, 0, 1, 1. And the fifth bit will be copied of the previous step, that is 1. So with this, we complete step number 3. Is this understood? Can you continue with fourth cycle? What you will check, the content of Q0 is 0, content of Q minus 1 is 0. So if both are 0, simply right shift. Complete step number 4. What do you get after this? 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Again, both are 0. What we'll do, simply right shift. So what will be my fifth cycle or the result of the question? 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my product is content of AC and content of Q. So result of minus 7 into 3 is contents of AC as all 5 ones and content of Q0 as contents of Q as 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Is it understood? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So if in the question your multiplicand is minus, always the minus M will be the positive of it. So if in the question the number is positive, your minus M will be negative of it. But if in the question it is negative, your minus M will be positive of it, which is nothing but 2's complement. Is everyone getting the same answer after the fourth and fifth cycle?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Shall I move to the next question? Sushant, have you got the same answer?
No, ma'am, I'm doing.
Okay. So I'll wait for 5 minutes. Let everybody complete with the fourth and the fifth cycle. And then we go to the next question. Those who have completed, take the next question. Multiply minus 7 and minus 3. Multiply minus 7 and minus 3 using Booth's algorithm. With register size as 4 bits. With register size as 4 bits. Minus 7 and minus 3 with register size as 4 bits. using Booth's algorithm, which is binary signed multiplication. So what is my m over here, Prathamesh? Pratham, what is my m? Pratham. Can you hear me? Pooja? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me what is the value of m?
Minus
M is -7. What is your q? -3. So what will be your minus m? Since the number is negative, your minus m will become positive 7. Okay. Now what you will do, first find the value of 7 in 4 bits. So it is 0, 1, 1, 1. Now if I want to find minus 7, it is 2's complement of 7. So what do I do? 1 as it is, this 0, and since the number is negative, so 1. So what is the value of m in binary? The value of m in binary is 1, 0, 0, 1. What is the value of minus m? That is binary of 7. It is 0, 1, 1, 1. Is this understood up till here? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have to find the value of q in binary, which is -3. So we'll first write the binary of 3. What is the binary of 3 in 4 bits? 0, 0, 1, 1. Now what I have to find? -3. What is that -3? It is 2's complement of 3. So how do we find out 2's complement of 3? We keep this 1 as it is. 1 change to 0, 0 change to 1. But since the first number we have negative, so we'll make this as 1. So what will be the value of q now, which is -3? The value is 1, 1, 0, 1. Is this understood? So whenever in the question you have a number negative, see to it that you take 2's complement of that number. Okay. So now what will be the contents of AC? Contents of AC is 0, but how many 0? Representation in 4 bits. So 4, 0. What is the value of q -1? It should be always positive. It should always be 0. So now let us start solving in your book. Start solving. How many cycles will I have depending on number of bits? So total 4 cycles. AC, Q, Q -1 and operation. AC initially 0 in 4 bits. Q is 1101. Q -1 is 0. So if it is 1 and 0, what am I supposed to do? Operation is AC is equal to AC minus M. So what is my AC? All the 4 zeros. What is the value of minus M? It is 0, 1, 1, 1. When I add, I get 0, 1, 1. I store that contents in accumulator. Copy the content of Q as it is. Copy the content of Q -1 as it is. After that, perform right shift of AC, Q and Q -1. When I do right shift, the 0 gets discarded and each and every bit gets shifted to the right hand side. When I do not have the 4th bit, the previous bit is copied as it is. Is your first cycle answer same as mine?
Yes, ma'am.
00, 11, 111, 0 and then 1. Correct? Now
Yes, ma'am.
next. Yes, what do we do? Check the next bit of Q0 as 0, Q -1 as 1. If it is 0 and 1, what do I do? AC is equal to AC plus M. What is the value of AC? 0011. What is the value of plus M? It is nothing but -7. So it is 1001. So 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1 1 1. So 1100 into accumulator, copy Q as it is, Q -1 as it is. After the operation is done, do right shift of bits in AC, Q and Q minus 1. When I do right shift, this 1 gets discarded. The 0 will be copied here. All the remaining bits will be shifted. And if I do not have the fourth bit, the previous bit is copied as it is. So the result of your second cycle is 111, 0, 0, 111, and then 0. Is it matching with your cycle? Complete the third and the fourth cycle. Yes. Complete the third and the fourth cycle and tell me the product. So your product is content of AC as 0001, content of Q as 0101, which is the result of -7 into -3. Are you all getting same?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Take one question and solve it yourself. Multiply. Should I erase the board? Has everyone completed -7 into -3? Take down the question. Multiply -7. Sorry, multiply -9. Multiply -9 into 7 using Booth's algorithm with register size as 5 bits. Solve this sum. I'll ask somebody to give me the values of each and every step. Start solving. You will first find out M. You will find out -M, Q, AC, and Q minus 1. And then solve it in the tabular format. N is 5 bits. Register size is nothing but N. You will not get separate value of N in the question. You have to find out your N on your own depending upon the register size. Pritesh, give me the answer of first cycle. Value of AC.
Ma'am, I haven't solved yet.
Pritesh, done first cycle. You should not take so much time. Okay, tell me the value of M. Pritesh, put your mic on. Let us check.
Yes, ma'am.
Value of M.
11001.
11001.
Yes.
It is minus 9 into 7. Value of M. You are wrong. Pratham. Reva, put your mic on.
I'm 11001.
Value of M. It is wrong. Reva, I said you to put your mic on. Pritesh, check where you are wrong.
10111.
Speak loudly.
10111.
Correct. So your value of M, which is minus 9, is 10111. What is the value of minus M? Reva, you only. Complete this. Value of minus M. Put the mic on.
01
Uh,
1001.
01.
001.
Correct. So everybody check the value of M, which is minus 9, is 10111, and value of minus M, which will be 9, is 01001. Okay. Then your multiplier is Q, that is 7. Binary of 7 is 000111. Okay. So who has completed first cycle? Mrudul, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me the contents of AC.
Ma'am, the final after the right shift or before the right
No, the cycle 1, after you completed cycle 1, the result of AC.
shift? 00100.
Correct. Q.
Q 10011.
Correct. Q minus 1.
1.
Correct. Okay. Krishnam, have you done the second cycle? Krishnam, have you done second cycle? Put your mic on. Kush,
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing the second cycle now.
why so much time? There is nothing to do.
Ma'am, my table is very shabby.
So I don't want your table, I want your answer.
Yeah, ma'am, I'll find it.
Krishnam, if you do not put your mic on, I'm going to assume that you have simply switched on the lecture and gone somewhere. Nidhi, Krishnam, write your answer in chat box. For second cycle, contents of AC and contents of Q. Nidhi, have you done third cycle?
Ma'am, my night issue was there, so I was lifting by. मैं निकल रही थी बाहर
Sorry?
में, फिर बंद हो रही थी.
हाँ तो सॉल्व किया कि नहीं, किधर पहुंचे? Which
Ma'am,
step
मैं-
have you? We are on which step now? Okay, so Krishnam has given contents of AC after second cycle as 00010, which is correct, and content of Q as 01001, correct. Okay. Now third cycle. Sanika, have you done third cycle?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me the contents of AC.
00001.
Correct. 4 zeros and 1. Contents of Q.
00100.
Correct. Content of Q as 00100. Okay.
And Q
Sushant?
minus 1 is 1.
Q minus 1 is 1. Correct. Shushant. Content cycle 4. Result of cycle 4. Shushant.
Ma'am, which cycle?
Fourth.
Ma'am, should I tell after the right shift or before the right shift?
After the right shift. Directly answer of AC after right shift.
Answer of AC is 11100.
Correct.
And answer of Q is 00010.
Correct. And answer of Q minus 1?
0.
Okay, good. Sonia, final result?
Yes, ma'am. AC is 11110. Q
Correct.
is 00001 and Q minus 1 is 0.
0. Okay. So we have all the cycle answers as correct. Those who have missed out can check on the board. I have written the answer of each and every cycle. Cross verify with your cycle. So your product will be contents of AC as 11110, content of Q as 00001. So your -9 into 7 is contents of AC and content of Q. So is binary multiplication Booth's algorithm understood to everyone? I repeat again, in Booth's algorithm, it will always be asked in the exam either to draw the flowchart and explain, or it will be a sum given where you are supposed to solve the sum and find out the answer. If you might get a question where both the numbers are positive, either both the numbers are negative, or the number is positive negative or negative positive. Okay. If it is mentioned solve using the register size as 4 bits, you have to take number of bits as 4. If it is told register size as 5 bits, your n will be 5. But if it is not mentioned, you have to assume that you are solving with 4 bits. Okay, if it is not given, try to assume by solving it in 4 bits only. Do not use 5 bits if it is not mentioned. Okay, whatever you get the final result of the last cycle in your AC and your Q is nothing but the product of your question. Is this clear? So with this, we have completed binary multiplication for signed as well as unsigned numbers. Your signed multiplication algorithm is also called as Booth's algorithm. In the question paper, you will nowhere get to solve using signed multiplication. It will be always written Booth's algorithm, but it might be asked to confuse that solve using signed multiplication. So even if it is signed multiplication, it is nothing but to solve using Booth's algorithm only. Okay, just it is the second name given to the binary multiplication. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
on Friday,
Yes, ma'am.
we will have a test on whatever is completed so far on the chapter 2. That is questions on addition, sign magnitude representation, question on addition of 2 binary numbers, question on Booth's algorithm, as well as question on unsigned binary multiplication. Okay. You have to solve the algorithm on the page or on the book. Whatever answer comes, you have to tick on that answer from the option that is given in the Google form. Okay. Suppose if the question is multiply -7 and -3 using Booth's algorithm, with that you will get 4 options. Those 4 options will be contents of AC and Q. So whichever matches with your answer in the notebook, you are supposed to click on that button as the answer. Okay. And you have to solve that answers in your book. Later, either on Saturday or Sunday, I will ask you to upload those on the Google Drive with the link which I share you. Is that clear? But in the Google form, you are supposed to click on the right answer, whichever you have got for the contents of AC and for the content of Q for both the algorithms. Is that clear? Any doubt so far? So after we complete the test, we'll start with next topic, that is division of binary numbers. Okay, restoring division algorithm. So how we have performed addition and multiplication using algorithm, we'll also be doing division by using algorithm. Okay, but before that we'll be taking a test, and followed by that we'll be starting with the next topic. Okay, and Dishank, you have to give me the questions so that I can give you the solutions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Have I uploaded the recording of the previous Friday's lecture?